We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WUSA. We will continue to serve the Washington, D.C. area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations serving your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Washington, D.C. area. Do not use your telephones. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request.
Stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
Good evening. I am coming to you tonight, across the country, to make an announcement that is of serious urgency to national security. I am announcing that an invasion will be occurring shortly. I am also not who you think I am. I am not only the President of the United States. I am a robot alien from outer space, and I was sent here to begin the takeover of the world. Very shortly, alien robots will begin landing across the country. They will be taking over your local governments, your businesses, and your way of life. Succumb to your eventual fate now, and your life may be spared. Fly back, and you'll not survive. We are the new, powerful leaders of the universe. And our goal of ruling the entire Earth cannot, and will not, be stopped.
This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume regular programming.